Good evening, madam. Good evening, friends. Today we discuss about the psychoanalytical theory. Um, Before going to the topic, we will know about the author of the psychoanalytical theory. Sigmund Freud, we are all well known. Sigmund Freud was a Viennese physician who developed his theory of development by trying to help emotionally troubled adults. His theory was described as a psychosexual theory of development. Freud was the first to discuss the unconscious mind and its role in the human behavior. He also believed that there are three levels of consciousness: psychosexual development. In psychosexual development theory, the Freud said that people's personality forms during their early childhood years. He outlined a series of psychosexual stages that the child passed through. A pleasure-seeking energy filters down the erogenous zone. The pleasure sensitivity area of the body has the oral stage, anal stage, phallic stage, latency and genital stage. These are the stages of the psychosexual development. 5 stages of the psychosexual development. Again we will see oral stage, anal stage and phallic. In that Oedipus complex, Electra complex are there. We will later discuss about that complexes. Latency stage and genital stage. Each stage produces frustration, conflict, anxiety. If not resolved properly, normal development may be interrupted and a child may remain fixated or stuck at a current stage. 3 levels of consciousness are there. One is unconsciousness, preconsciousness, conscious. Unconscious mind. Unconscious mind which exists outside of your awareness at all time. Preconscious means the preconscious mind which includes all the information that you are not currently aware of but can be recalled. Later we have recalled. Conscious mind is your current state of awareness. In this, ego and superego act as a conscious, preconscious and conscious, preconscious and conscious. If this unconscious. Ego is preconscious, superego is conscious. It also called as instinct drive. Ego is always in reality. Superego act on the principle of morality. These are the 3 parts of the personality: ego and superego. How it is act we will see. Id, the person, id personality, persons have the I want it now. Ego said I need to do a bit of planning to get it. Superego, you cannot have it, it's not a right. Here the moralities will act as a act in the superego. For example, if some food is there in the middle of the room, one person is seeing that he is getting very hungry. Without thinking anything, he will fastly run to the food and take the food immediately. That is called id. Id is always instinct drive. They will satisfy their needs without thinking anybody any other. That is unconscious state. Ego somewhat they are thinking, which this food may belongs to somebody. We should not touch. Like that, ego personality will thinking. But superego will get in the socially acceptable way. That means they will find who is the food belongs to whom. They will find and they will go and ask the permission and they get the food. That is the example for the superego. That is in morality act as a principle. Like this, 3 personalities are there. I want it now, without thinking anything. Ego said I need to do a bit of planning to get it. So, but superego, you cannot have it It's not a right. Like this, the personality will be there. Three parts of the personality. You will clearly know this. It is a biological component of the personality that includes your instincts. It operates in our conscious mind. It operates. Sorry, disturb me. It operates in our conscious mind. It operates according to the pleasure principle. It always on the pleasure principle. Ego. The ego operates in our preconscious and conscious mind. The ego is the part of the personality that make our decisions. Ego operates according to the reality principle. It is depending on the reality principle. Superego. The superego exists in all the three levels of consciousness. It is always concerned with what is socially acceptable. The superego pushes you to obtain the ego ideal and your view of that is right. It also represents our conscious or view of what is considered be wrong. We will see in the diagrammatic representation. Freud's psychosexual stages, oral stages. Describe the stages in 5 stages. First oral stage, birth to 1 year. Erogenous tone, that is the mouth. Mouth is the erogenous. Pleasure point is the mouth. Anal stage, 1 to 3 years. Erogenous tone is bowel and bladder control. They are trained in this stage. They will train the prolific training. They will take. Phallic stage, 3 to 6 years. Erogenous tone is genitalia. And the latent stage, 6 to puberty. Libido inactive. They socially they always they make the relations with the friends in this stage. Libido is inactive. Genital stage, puberty and maturating sexual interests. They are searching for their partners in this stage. Psychosexual series of development, oral stage, from birth to 1 year. During this stage, the mouth is the pleasure center for the development. Freud believed that this is why infant was born with sucking reflex and desire their mouths are pressed. If the child oral needs are not met during infancy, he or she may develop negative habits such as nail biting, thumb sucking to meet his basic need. Second stage, anal stage of the psychosexual development. Anal stage, 1 to 3 years old. During this stage, toddlers and preschool age children begins to experiment with the urine and feces. The control they learn to expert over their body functions in the manifestation in toilet training. Phallic stage. During this stage, preschoolers take pleasures in their genitalia and they begin to struggle with the sexual desires towards the opposite sex parent. Boys to mothers and girls to fathers. The stage where the boys or girls experience the state of Oedipus complex. For boys, they are attached with their mothers. Electrocomplex, the girl child attached with the father. That is the Oedipus complex and electrocomplex. Latent stage, 6 years old puberty. In this stage, the child repress all the interest in sexuality and develop the social and intellectual skills. Sexual drives are now expressed in socially acceptable form. Friends, clubs, schools, fun and problem solving. These are the socially acceptable ones. They express their feelings. Genital stage, puberty to death. Adolescents and adults have the mature sexual feeling and experience the pleasure from the sexual relationship. Oedipus or electro feelings are reactivated and directed towards the other persons of the opposite. It is a time of sexual reawakening, but the source of sexual pleasure now becomes someone outside the family. Thank you. This is the psychosexual developmental stage by the Freud theory. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Session is ended.